Number 1. Independence, leadership. My use in witchcraft. Use this number for spells involving leaving home, leaving a friendship or relationship, learning to stand on your own, becoming more assertive, and strengthening your willpower to reject a bad habit or learn a good habit. The Element Encyclopedia of 5,000 Spells. Unity, the number of the Creator. At the crystal bar, motivation and momentum. 1 represents a true pioneer, eager to break ground on new endeavors, paving the way for others to follow. It awakens newness, movement, and the possibilities that await us. It is the number of creation and the birth of all things, the divine origin of the universe. Number 1 in numerology, the root of opportunity in our lives. 1 is a symbol of confidence, power, and action. It pushes us to look at our current life and realize that we have the power to turn our future into anything we wish. It inspires us to take control of our future and embrace new beginnings. Crystal for 1, garnet symbolizes strength and courage. Numerology, 1 is assigned to the letters A, J and S. Color association, the color white. Number 2. Balance, partnership. My use in witchcraft. Use this number to attract love and friendship into your life and to reduce friction between yourself and another. Use this number to enhance any mutually beneficial collaboration between you and someone else for business, school, or creative endeavors. The Element Encyclopedia of 5,000 Spells. Happiness, love, balance, duality, the act of creation and generation. At the crystal bar, a supremely feminine force, representing both grace and power. 2 is cooperative, always bringing peace and balance back to any situation. 2s are also very sensitive. They have the strongest intuition, able to sense currents and feelings instinctively and using clues to connect with others empathically. Number 2 in numerology, 2 represents partnerships. It holds great power over any situation but wields it with such diplomacy and tact that the result is not control and authority, but harmony and teamwork. 2 is a mediator, able to see both sides in an unbiased way and guide others down the middle road. Crystals for 2, pearl welcomes luck and abundance. Numerology, 2 is assigned to the letters B, K, and T. Color association, the color silver. Number 3. Creativity, communication. My use in witchcraft. Use this number to attract inspiration into your life and to enhance your creative, artistic, witchcraft and communication skills. The Element Encyclopedia of 5,000 Spells. Supreme magic number of power, successful prophecy, the successful culmination, the end result of the creative act. At the crystal bar, the 3 is a communicator and shines in all forms of expression. They are bursting with thoughts, ideas, dreams, and musings and must let them out to the world. 3 is their ideas person, and by sharing these notions they attract spiritual supportive energies that can turn their ideas into real plans. Number 3 in numerology. 3 is highly original and embraces unique thinking and creative expression. Their artistic, curious nature allows them to convey abstract ideas and find solutions others may miss. Young at heart, 3 never misses a chance to have fun, engage with others, and express all the love and joy it embodies. Crystal for 3, amethyst welcomes peace of mind. Numerology, 3 is assigned to the letters C, L, and U. Color association, the color red. Number 4. Stability, building, health. My use in witchcraft. Use this number for protection spells, spells to improve health, bring stability, and spells to help you transform your inspiration from potential into finished product. The Element Encyclopedia of 5,000 Spells. Stability, First Nation peoples numerology, death and danger, East Asian numerology, challenge. At the crystal bar, when strength and efficiency are needed, 4 comes to the rescue. 4 is a no-nonsense number with a head-down approach to life and work. Extremely dependable and lending stability to a situation. Dedicated to advancing but in a conservative way. They like sticking to what is tried and true, with ease and familiarity. Number 4 in numerology. 4 carries a wise and rational energy that brings a sense of security. With a strict definition of right and wrong, they tend to see things as black and white with no gray in between. They lead with their head, not their heart, and will use this mental strength to build a life of service and contentment. Crystal for 4, aventurine balances your energy. Numerology, 4 is assigned to the letters D, M, and V. Color association, the color black. Number 5. Change, fluidity, risk-taking. My use in witchcraft, use this number in spells of destruction, for example, ridding yourself of bad influences or negative emotions such as anger and hatred, and to invite positive change into your life, for example, opening through dreams of divination to new opportunities. The Element Encyclopedia of 5,000 Spells, Protection, Semitic Magic, Instability and Havoc, The Golden Dawn, Adventure. At the Crystal Bar, 5 harbors curiosity and the need for a variety of exciting experiences in order to feel fulfilled. They crave freedom and adventures and aren't afraid to let the wind carry them where it may. For 5 isn't about setting goals and making plans, it's about getting out there and experimenting. Number 5 in numerology, 5 is a master of change, able to go with the flow and adapt to thrive in different environments and situations. 5 is happiest when things feel fresh, high energy and full of possibility. The moment 5 starts to feel too routine or predictable, they will move on to something more captivating. Crystal for 5, aquamarine welcomes peace and courage. Numerology, 5 is assigned to the letters E, N, and W. Color association, the color pink. Number 6. Family, community. My use in witchcraft, use this number in spells promoting harmony and goodwill between groups or groups and the individual. The Element Encyclopedia of 5,000 Spells, Love, Romance, Successful Acquisition. At the Crystal Bar, the number 6 is the embodiment of the herd. It represents unconditional love and the ability to support, nurture, and heal all. They are a powerful force of compassion and empathy, and their warm light is a beacon of hope. Their role is to use their heart and soul to be of service to others. Number 6 in numerology, 6 shines in partnerships of all kinds but especially emotional ones. Their empathetic nature gives others the confidence to let their guard down, allowing them to understand and provide the help that is needed. We could all use someone in our life who manifests the devoted energy of 6. Crystal for 6, blue quartz brings harmony and light. Numerology, 6 is assigned to the letters F, O and X. Color association, the color gold. Number 7. Spirituality, introspection. My use in witchcraft, use this number in spells that involve seeking spiritual knowledge, such as connecting with your patron god and goddess and reversing spells. The Element Encyclopedia of 5,000 Spells, Supreme Magic Number of Power, the number that epitomizes magic 7 seas, 7 stars planets, 7 archangels, 7 devils, and 7 miracles, protection, success, reversing and cleansing spells. At the Crystal Bar, 7 is both deep and wise. It is not satisfied with simple explanations and surface-level information. This is frivolous stuff. 7 knows the real gold is buried deeper and won't stop until it finds it. Asking questions, researching, listening and sensing are all special skills 7 uses in its search for awareness. Number 7 in numerology, though spirituality is important to 7, they take an intellectual approach to live it. 7 has a powerful intuition which it uses as a guide. This combination of conscious and subconscious thinking allows the mind of 7 to shine a light into the very deepest realms to access hidden truths. Crystal for 7, amethyst for inner light and spirituality. Numerology, 7 is assigned to the letters G, P, and Y. Color association, the color purple. Number 8. Power, wealth. My use in witchcraft, use this number in spells for prosperity and abundance spells and to help you strengthen your skills, whether metaphysical or mundane. The Element Encyclopedia of 5,000 Spells, Infinity, Eternity, Success. At the Crystal Bar, 8 is the achiever, measuring life by the goals they reach. They have good business sense, a powerful presence and a strong drive for success. 8 also symbolizes balance. For every blessing 8 receives, they put 1 back out to the universe. When things are balanced, they feel stable, controlled and supported. Number 8 in numerology, 8 is considered the luckiest number of all and is purposefully worked into wedding dates, birth dates, addresses, and finances. 8 represents the ultimate form of achievement that many will spend their entire lives striving for. Crystal for 8, citrine boosts your chances of success. Numerology, 8 is assigned to the letters H, Q, and Z. Color association, the color orange. Number 9. Transformation and completion. My use in witchcraft. In numerology, the number 9 refers to evolution from one spiritual plane to the next, which may not apply to situations outside of divination. When using the number 9 as an enhancer to your spell, think of it as a multiple of the number 3, 3 by 3. Number 9 magnifies your energy work with spells that involve creativity, art, inspiration, communication with spirits and other witches and humans, transition and transformation spells, and spells that work with cycles like birth, death, and the cycles of the seasons and that of the universe and multiverse. The Element Encyclopedia of 5,000 spells, supreme magic number of power, 3 by 3, protection, success, reversing and cleansing spells, achievement, accomplishment, finality, the ultimate expression. At the crystal bar, 9 represents completion, but not finality. Think of it more in a cyclical sense. It's about the ending of one cycle and the creation of another. 9 acts as an usher in the process of transitioning or transformation, guiding and empowering us with their wisdom. They absorb answers from a spiritual source, then deliver them to us in the real world. Number 9 in numerology, 9 is a humanitarian at heart. Compassionate, kind, and intent on creating good. 9 has gone through their fair share of hardship and are wiser and more aware as a result, making them very understanding of others who are struggling, providing valuable support. Crystal for 9, rose quartz nurtures self-care and love. Numerology 9 is assigned to the letters I and R. Color association, the color green.